Shimla and Manali look great on reels. But do you really feel them anymore? If you're craving snow without traffic, mountains without noise, and moments without crowds, it's time to go offbeat. Welcome to Haripurdhar, raw, snow-covered, breathtaking, where nature speaks and everything else goes silent. And after the adventure, reward yourself at Suto Cafe Nahan. Warm food, rooftop vibes, and views that hit different. This time, don't chase tourist spots, chase experiences. Follow nature, feel alive.